Queen and Eli taking a walk in the beach. Let's begin. Greedy. When you greedy. Is you pregnant?
No.
Damn.
Ain't no baby coming up out of here. My tubes tied.
Take a picture.
Pregnant on my tubes,
Take a picture.
Ain't no baby coming up out of here no more because I said I don't want no more. So when you tell yourself you don't want no more, it ain't gonna happen.
I got a good idea.
All right, gangster.
Daddy, how about
You looking real greedy right now.
How about you take a slow motion?
You must want some.
I don't want any. I'm full off my protein bars. I don't
Girl,
want
you
nothing.
get all out my nostrils though.
Go. I'm trying to take another picture. I'm trying to take another video. Go.
Oh.
Keep walking. Keep walking. That's where all that food going right there. That's where all the food going. Pregnant ass. Look at it.
Look
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. No apologies. Just greedy.
These are mine.
Just greedy. Anyway, we're in Long Beach, and I decided I needed to get some fresh air and a little bit of sun. So we are taking a walk with our little crumb snatchers. Who I'm about to show you right now. There they go way up ahead. The running in the red is Little Greedy. Big Greedy is right next to me. Boom, 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 boom. And then there's Little Greedy right there. And then that's Tiny Greedy, Baby Greedy, Infant Greedy. You don't see what they talking about. Go. Run to Jada, then run back. All right, stop. Come back, baby. Come back now. Janavi, get on the other side. Get to this side.
Get over out the way.
Get on this side and be quiet. Ready? Come on, baby. Run this way.
JR, let me see how you did that. Dang.
Jaylee, run this way. Come on.
Put a dent in it. Yeah.
Jaylee, this way.
You gotta show that boy, he put the dent in that.
Let's
Show
see.
that. Show that, son.
What you do to it?
Show that, son. Show it. Your daddy.
Let's see.
Turn around. Turn around. This boy, he a mango head. Now he gonna damage some mango.
Island boy.
My hair in my face. I
I'm
can't
an
eat it.
island boy. I'm an island boy.
Oh, your hair all in it too.
All right, where is baby at?
Right there in front of
I
Jaylee.
wanted her to run this way.
Jaylee! Come here, run! Come
No,
here.
she keeps saying okay and going the other way.
Run
Come
to
here.
me. Run to mommy. No. Run to me. Jaylee, run. Come on.
Come to me.
Jaylee.
Come to me.
Jaylee, run. Come
To
here.
me. To me. Run to me. Run to me. Jaylee. Jaylee.
She is a bully for real.
Jaylee. We said run to
She
us.
loves her, but then she's a bully. She's a straight bully. Stop being a bully.
No.
Stop being a bully, girl. Hey, come here.
Jada. Let me see how much you got. They are. Come on, man.
They look nasty.
That's a whole lot. Y'all waste.
I got a good picture
No,
of it.
look, babe. I didn't. Come here. I didn't ate the one side of mine. I don't know about her.
See how much food they waste.
Oh goodness, I had to burp.
All the starving kids. Look at this. This is American. This is American wastefulness.
I know. Somebody commented, they said, oh, I need one of those ASAP. You opened up the door.
You can get something off your back. Jada done got all of the chili on you.
Jaylee, you running? You running, baby? Baby.
Jada. Jada got all of this on you. Look. You want some of this?
No.
Look.
You better go.
Look.
You better
Fight.
go. No. You better
It's
go.
good, baby.
You better go, girl.
Mango.
She about to do her walk. You better go, girl. You better go. You better go, girl. You better go. You better go. 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 No. You better go, girl. You better go. You better go, girl. You better go. You better go. 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 You better skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my look. You better do what you do. Do what you do. Do what you do. Do what you do. You better walk it out. Better walk it out. Once I walk it out. Once I walk it out.
Turn around.
Walk it out. Walk it out. You gotta go. Oh, she got attitude. She got attitude. She got attitude.
Okay,
she got
baby.
attitude.
Look at you. Ooh, girl, that walk is something else.
This is the beauty of living by the beach. It's only like a 15 to 20 minute drive away. And boom. Clear waters. At least from over here.
Clear waters.
At least from over here. Yeah, look over there.
With a list. Ooh. Excuse me.
Nah. It's natural.
It is, but have manners.
Alright. Pause.
Hey.
It's in the trash.
Excuse you. Come here.
Hold on.
I'm not gonna follow that.
And where's JR? He's always going so far ahead. Yeah, that's why I seen him last. I didn't see him turn around. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You gotta
thinking
get
about?
Say I gotta get a job by tomorrow. I gotta find a way to get a job by tomorrow.
I gotta find a way to get this money, huh? I gotta find a way to get this money.
Look at her face.
Why you putting your finger in? What is that? What is that? What is that? You got a good idea.
Yeah.
What's your
Daddy
idea?
got
I
that.
got some pictures
Can we walk
that
that?
you have. I got one Sonic, so only be faster. Only one too fast. That's right.
That's your idea?
Daddy, go over down there.
We about to.
Alright, cool.
Let's run!
Uh-oh. I'm taking the picture. You stay on the side, right there.
Jaylee, raise your head up.
Jelly!
Stay with her.
You can
No.
skateboard and ride up to her if she run like that.
And JR, watch out for the people too. Y'all kind of like all over the place.